is the most like fun or memorable part of the trip that you think?
The most memorable part, I think, was to move the bricks from one side of the river to the other side. We formed a huge chain and passed the bricks along the road. I think it showed how, as a class, we could be organized and to complete a task with everyone together, I think.
I got a chance to attend the carpenter's workshop, and then I can have my own design of a chair and I can make it with my teammate. It is so rare that you can make a furniture on your own.
We can understand how the farmers or how the people, the workers, to cut the raw materials. I think it's a quite good experience to understand.
So do you think the trip is worth the while?
Yeah, I do think it worth everything.
It was worthwhile.
I need to be with my classmates during the trip, and then I need to cooperate with them, live with them, so our relationships were improved so much.